For the day 8 practice, we're going to use our chart again, so you can refer to your notes for this chart. So for number 1, it says y equals the absolute value of x, and then minus 2 on the outside of that. So when I look over here at the chart, my number is on the outside of the absolute value, and it's a minus 2. So this means down -2. So I'm going to go -2 on the y-axis. I don't do the opposite here at all. I just go to where it says on the y-axis. So I go to -2, and then I go ahead and draw the V shape. So I'm going to do 3 points both ways. So up 1 and right 1 3 times. I have half my V, so then I go up 1, left 1 3 times, and draw the other half of my V. So number 2, it has the number on the outside of the absolute value again. So here, it's a plus, so I would be outside +4. So I would go +4 on the y-axis. And then you can finish doing your V shape. Here, I can only go like 2. If I want to, I could estimate the next point. And then the opposite way. Okay, but you still want that even shape V. Now, when you get to number 3, 3 through 12 are all the same way. So on number 3, we look at the number. It's on the inside of the absolute value. So we're at one of these. Inside up -2. So if it's negative, we go the opposite direction, which is right on the x-axis. So we're going to go to +2 on the x-axis. Then go ahead and draw your V shape. Up 1, right 1 3 times. Up 1, left 1 3 times. Okay, then it says, if this graph is translated 3 units to the right, what would your equation be? And remember, when we translate, it means we shift or we move. So if I were to move this 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, I land at +5. So my equation would be the absolute value of x minus 5, and then the absolute value again. So make sure that these do not look like ones, that they're absolute value symbols. Okay, and remember, it's the opposite inside of the equation. Make sure to go ahead and draw that V shape. You're going to have to estimate where that point goes. And then draw your V. Okay, if you want, you could do it in 2 different colors like I did, or you could just label it like this one was the first graph I did right here, and then this one is the second graph that I did, and so that's graph 2. Okay, either way, you could just do it in different colors, or you could label them at the bottom. But 3 through the back, 12 is all like this. Okay, so if you look here, you're at +2 on the inside. So if you're on the inside and you're at a positive, you're going the opposite direction, left. So I'm going to go -2 on the x-axis, and then draw your V. Okay, but it says to translate this 2 units to the left, and where would you land? At -4, which means you're going to be at +4 in the equation. Okay, so again, you could label it, okay, or you could use different colors. Either way is fine.